So not only do I think this outfit formula will never fail me, I also think that no matter who you are, what size, what shape, how tall, how small, it will never fail you as well. But that's just my opinion.
I like it, I love it. I like it, I love it. I like it, I love it.
Okay, so what do we want in our outfits? At the very least, practical and comfortable, right? Or functional. To clothe us, to protect us from the elements. Of course, for me, high priority, stylish, a must. And on top of that, flattering or an interesting shape. You know, not a lot to ask for, right? If you're not familiar with what an outfit formula is, it's basically what it sounds like. It's basically like a recipe for an outfit. And the great thing about formulas is the more you work with them, the better you get to know them, the more confident you get with them, and then you can kind of build off of that. Just like a good scientist learning a fundamental formula will then expand on that formula. That was one of my better analogies, I'm not gonna lie. I discovered this formula for myself years ago. I went to a wedding and didn't want to wear a dress. I opted for a really tight, satiny looking bodysuit, spaghetti strap bodysuit, and paired it with these vertical stripe, flowy, high-waisted, wide leg pants. To this day, I still think that's one of my favorite outfits I've ever worn, clearly, because I keep bringing it up. So, the outfit formula that we are looking at today is...
I like it, I love it, just like it should. I like it, I love it, it's understood. I like it, I love it, can't get enough of it.
Tight top with bubbly bottoms, or basically wide leg bottoms, oversized bottoms, baggy bottoms, whatever it may be. But the key that I feel makes the difference is that the bottoms are high-waisted. And the reason for this, in my opinion, I think high-waisted pants or bottoms, especially if they're full length, elongate. But I also think it's one of the most comfortable places for a bottom to sit, feel super comfortable and at ease in a high-waisted, flowy, or baggier or bubbly bottom. And if you get properly fitting ones, they shouldn't be painful. If you go too tight, then girl's gonna cut off your air supply or get acid reflux, which has definitely happened to me. Yeah, I've learned my lesson with the tight waistbands of high-waisted bottoms. So comfortable, check. I think the stylish part of an outfit is very subjective. It's very relative to the person and their preferences, right? So for me, as an example, I think an outfit is most stylish when it has some contrast, whether that's contrasts in style moods, style types, or silhouettes or fits. And so that is why I just love that this ultimately just out the gate, you start off with that contrast of the tight fitting on the top and the more oversized bottom. I think what I love about it is that it's so simple that it creates clarity and more room for you to breathe in the sense of creativity. And you kind of know what parameters you're working with, and so it makes it less overwhelming. So, stylish, check. Let's talk about flattering, or for some, just an interesting shape. I don't think things always have to be flattering. I think sometimes, as long as it's interesting, it doesn't need to necessarily be this stereotypical flattering. But I think either way, it boils down to shape. And so if we're speaking to like the flattering aspect, I think that the tight on top and the more flowy or oversized on the bottom is going to be flattering on anyone, because you're sort of accentuating your top half and sort of features it as like a moment. Along with that, the high waist, in my opinion, is one of the most flattering fits, I think, because I feel like it elongates. So even if we're not talking about flattering, I think it is such an interesting shape as well, because you almost have this like bell shape, and who doesn't love a bell? Most things in the natural world have like a bigger base and a smaller top. I don't know, this is just me getting real deep, really grasping at straws here. Anyways, I think it's an interesting shape, personally. So there's that. Flattering and interesting shape. Check.
So sleepwalker, heard you've been chasing down that feeling again. Late night pillow talking, can't make any sense of it. I've been waiting forever for your love, forever for your love. I've been waiting forever for your love, forever for your love.
And there we have it, friends. I don't know about you, but I think it is definitely one of my favorites. And for me, it is just a great default, because no matter where I am in life, no matter where I am with my style, this formula always makes me feel my best version of myself. Makes me feel empowered, makes me feel like a woman, makes me feel just fierce and ready to take on the world.
Gonna quit.